How to pin a chat to top on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and open the conversation where you want to pin a chat. You can pin a chat on WhatsApp if the chat that you want is really important and you want others to be notified of the chat. So in order to pin the chat, tap hold on the chat and you will see the option for more. Tap on it and you will see the option for pin. So tap on the pin option you see there, and with this, as you can see, you will be required to choose the interval or the duration for how long you want your messages to be pinned. You can choose for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. I will choose 7 days. And with this, as you can see, the message has been pinned. And now, just in case if you want to unpin the message, then you can simply tap on the pinned message on top of your screen and you will be led to the message in your inbox. So simply tap hold on the message that you have pinned and then tap on the more option again and you will see the option for unpin. So tap on the unpin option and with this the message will be unpinned too. So this was about how you can pin a chat to the top on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.